Hello STEM Camp learners! Welcome back to another exciting lesson in PictoBlox. Today, we are going to create our very first GIF animation. Yes, a real moving character animation. Let's begin. Step 1. Open PictoBlox. First, open your PictoBlox software. Wait until everything loads completely. You should now see the stage, the block section, and your default sprite. Perfect. Step 2. Open your browser. Before we code, we need our animation. Open your browser. For example, I will use Google Chrome. Now go to the search bar. Type GIF animations. Then press enter. Step 3. Choose your GIF. Take your time here. Look through the different GIF animations. Choose one you like. Maybe a dancing character, a running cartoon, or a jumping object. Which one will you choose? Step 4. Save the GIF. Move your mouse onto the GIF animation. Now, right-click. Select Save Image As. Save it in your Downloads folder. That makes it easier to find later. Rename it GIF Animation. Now, click Save. Excellent. Step 5. Return to PictoBlox. Time to upload. Step 6. Find Add Sprite button. Look at the bottom right corner. You will see Add Sprite / backdrop. Do not click immediately. Just place your mouse there. Notice the options: Search, Paint Surprise emoji, and at the top, the Upload arrow. Click it. Step 7. Upload the GIF. Your file window opens. Click Downloads. Find GIF animation. Select it, then click Open. Amazing! Your GIF is now inside PictoBlox. Step 8. Check Costumes. At the top, click Costumes. Look carefully. See all those different images? That is the secret of a GIF. A GIF is made of many images called costumes. When they move quickly, they create animation. That's how cartoons move. Step 9. Go to Blocks. Now click Blocks. Time to code. Step 10. Add when green flag clicked. On the left, click Events. Drag when green flag clicked. Place it on the coding area. This tells the project, start when I click the green flag. Step 11. Add Forever. Now click Ctrl, find Forever. Drag it under the green flag block. Forever means repeat forever. Step 12. Add next costume. Now click Looks, find next costume. Drag it inside the Forever block. Now click the green flag. Now your sprite changes. One costume to the next, creating motion. Step 13. Add weight. But wait, is your animation too fast? If yes, go to Control, add wait 1 second. Place it below next costume. Now change 1 to 0.1. This slows the animation just enough. Perfect. Step 14. Test it. Now click the green flag. Watch your character. It's moving. You did it. Step 15. Resize sprite. If your sprite is too big, adjust the size. Make it bigger or smaller. Choose what looks best. Challenge. Now your challenge. Find another GIF. Upload it, animate it by yourself. Can you do it without help? I believe you can. Congratulations, STEM Camp. See you in the next lab. Keep coding.